Meet the new onboarding experience in Power BI Portal. The very first screen, everything is designed to guide you clearly, helping you move through setup with confidence and without unnecessary complexity. It starts with a simple welcome step, giving you a clear entry point into the platform and setting the tone for the journey ahead. From there, you move into Explore Reports, where you can quickly understand the reporting environment and see how everything begins to come together. The next step is Add a Report. Here, the process stays focused and intuitive, making it easy to bring in the reports you want to share and manage through the portal. Then comes Add a User, where access starts to take shape. The experience remains structured and straightforward, so each action feels clear and easy to complete. After that, you associate the report to the user, connecting content and access in a way that feels logical, guided, and seamless. Next, you configure Premium plus Capacity, preparing the environment to support the right experience from the start. This step is fully integrated into the flow, so even more advanced setup feels organized and manageable. And finally, you test the user login. This is where everything comes together, allowing you to validate the full journey and confirm that the experience is working exactly as expected. Throughout the process, the Getting Started checklist keeps every phase visible. You always know where you are, what has already been completed, and what comes next. The result is a smoother onboarding journey in Power BI Portal. Clearer, faster, and built to get you up and running with confidence from the very beginning.